Alrighty, I'm gonna show you guys how to install a pulley the right way or the correct way, because a lot of people put these on there and start hammering in, put some on here and hammer, and that's wrong because you actually damage the power steering pump. That's the problem we're going through right now. So with a little kit that you can buy at Amazon or pick up at the AutoZone store or the auto parts store, you can even rent them. We're gonna go ahead and properly install this pulley. So here we go. So the first thing you want to do, lube this shaft a little bit. We already put a little bit of WD-40 on it, but you're gonna grab this piece here and you're gonna screw it inside of this. Doesn't take too much. All it is to hold it in place, right? And you want to put your pulley. They're aluminum, so they're not very strong, and you want to make sure that it's as even as possible on there, right? You want to get your thrust washer, put that bad boy on there, and you want to screw that piece in here. So super easy, just screw that bad boy on there and it'll keep everything nice and straight. You can put the thrust washer on there afterwards if you like, but it really doesn't matter. So there it is, nice and tight. Now you want to put your bearing, and then this is the magic that pushes it down right here. This is a 13/16, by the way, which we have here. And the top, I'm going to use a 13mm. But, so you can see, it's on there nice and tight. Now all we have to do, we hold this piece here and start tightening that. And let's get that bad boy in there. All right, so if you look at the bottom, you can see that it's very close to touching. It is not touching. So I think we're good enough, but just to make sure, we're gonna take this off. And if we do need to move a little bit more, we will, just to make sure it's perfect. But I think we're good. So let's see. And just like that, you see, we are flush. We'll take this bad boy off of here and we are done, guys. And that's how you install a pulley without damaging it. I'm gonna show you a damaged one in a second so you can see what happens when you start hammering them down. Guys, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and catch you guys later. Have a blessed one.